Good morning, all Gres-Sims. I am your new superintendent, Mr. Ming, and what we're here to do today is show you the fact that we're still under construction. As you can see behind me, we got some big machines over there, and what we're going to do is we're going to walk around the campus, show you some of the updates, and also show you that there's still some more work to do. So let's head off.
So let's start first, guys, in the Cyber Cafe. This is kind of our home this summer. Now, if you come on in and take a look, you're going to notice that it looks just a little bit different. You can say hi to Mrs. Jancy and Mr. Anthony. They're busy at work, working out of this office area also. So this is our summer home. And you can see all the different furniture and all of our Chromebooks are heading in the back. Mr. McCaffrey's getting those all ready for you with all of our desks. So if you guys look forward to coming to see us visit, this is where we're going to be. Let's go check out the high school. So when you come through, you got to make sure you have your hard hat on. And of course, don't forget your mask. Now, all the classes look the same, but it is a little bit different. We'll show you a couple. Band room, kind of a storage area. Morning, Wally.
Hey!
Lots of fun going on. Yeah.
Good morning.
So come on in here. Let's check out Mrs. Sauget's room. So,
Show you the new dimming lights.
Fancy.
Dim. They're also motion controlled, so they'll turn off and turn on with motion.
Cool. All right, let's keep going. So, bathrooms are right now getting some new flooring and starting some of the renovation. Can't quite see it, but we're going to show you in one of the other bathrooms in a little bit. Going to be much improved. Coach Ostrander, our lovely athletic director, has a new office. His new office is going to be housed right there. You can't see it too well, but that's where he's going to be at. Now, down in this neck of the woods, back where Mrs. Anthony used to be, is going to be a little bit less used this year. Mrs. Anthony is changing locations, going to the other end of the hall. But you can kind of see some of our new lockers. But we're going to be doing a little bit of movement, so those classrooms aren't going to be used as much. But we've got a great new entrance, which is going to be really awesome.
Miss Silky, what can you tell me about these new lockers?
Well, they are much shinier and a better condition, nice maroon color. So we're really excited to see back in those. Bathrooms, really excited to show you the bathrooms. These look fantastic. We just put the color flakes on the floor, but these are the new bathrooms in the high school. We'll take you to Mrs. Anthony's new classroom, which used to be where Mr. Ostrander was. And it'll look very, very different than it did before.
Morning. We're just doing a quick picture of a video.
Good morning.
Morning.
It's looking good in here.
Much changed. Used to be the old athletic director's office, and there used to be a series of 3 offices that were here. So a lot of new improvements, some beautiful new cabinetry coming in. Got a new sink, so exciting times. We'll keep on heading on our tour.
Thank you.
We'll stop in one classroom in the high school. We'll stop in, morning gentlemen. So this is Mr. Freeman's class. Looks a little bit different. He's got a new flooring, but most of them are going to be the same existing flooring that was in here before. Little storage area on a little shelving with the new AC units, and excited to get back into things.
As you can see while we're walking, there's a lot of great new stuff coming in, but there's still a lot of work to do. So that's really the point of this video. A lot of cool new looks, but still a lot of work to do.
So we're going to head down the middle school. Middle school has the same lockers. It's going to have a whole new flooring heading down. Lots of new stuff in the classrooms. Pretty exciting, pretty cool.
All the walls also have been painted, so really that makes a huge difference just in itself. Looks nice and bright and new. So very exciting.
Let's pop into one classroom. We got Mr. Beardsley's class getting ready for the new flooring. We got the new units in there, new painting on the walls. You can see the new ceiling tiles are going to be going in shortly. They got the grid in, the new lighting, so good times.
Show you the next kind of new exciting thing that's under construction right now are our new middle school bathrooms. So this will be our new middle school boys and girls bathroom.
Miss Sophie, what was this space before?
This used to be Mr. Lashada's shop, and that has been relocated. So we'll show you his new shop now, but this was the maintenance garage before.
Make a quick stop in the new office. So this looks a little different. So you're going to have a little cubby area for our teachers to do some copying and a little bit of cutting papers and whatnot. Mrs. Jancy is going to be just on the other side with her desk. My office is changed into now two little small offices. And then besides that, we'll head over here. We'll sneak through.
So this will be Mr. Zion's new office right here.
Yeah, we'll do. Thank you. So just a quick tour. This is where Mrs. Soki, Mr. Pauly, and then Mrs. McCaffrey are going to be. Is going to be over here.
This is a whole new addition. So this is the brand new bump out that was just built.
Couple big changes on the outside that may look a little different to people. As we're looking over in this direction, that is the new athletic entrance to our building and the new main entrance to the building. So some new additions that may look a little bit different around here. And also, you may have noticed, there isn't a parking lot. That is part of the process, and we are working on getting that done just as quickly as we can.
You'll notice, guys, what's going to end up happening is we're going to actually increase the size of our parking lot. What'll end up happening is our parking lot will come almost right up to the area we're standing right now, and we'll have 2 lanes, so then that way there's an opportunity for cars to travel and an opportunity to drop kids off in the morning also. Now on the back side, we'll take a peek here in just a minute. We're going to go to the back side, which is going to be our bus loop. So this is our back bus loop. So what'll end up happening as the buses come around in this direction, they'll drop off on the right-hand side. Our middle school, high school will be getting off right here, and then our elementary will have a sidewalk leading off to an area right where they're getting off. And so this will be a nice area that'll keep everybody safe and keep things separated between vehicles from the buses. Now we'll go see Mr. Lashada's new shop.
parking lot lights waiting to be installed.
So this is where Mr. Lashada is going to start working out of. This is going to be his new shop area. So it's a nice little area for him. Well, it's also we're going to be the area where we get drop off for some of our bread and milk and some of the other morning goods. Now, you can't see it too well, and it looks a little different right now, but our multi-purpose is a little busy. This is where we're storing everything for the summer. There's a few things that are in the high school gym, but the vast majority of it's being stored right here, where all the teachers put their stuff on pallets, and we got all the chairs, desks, and anything else you can think of from all the elementary classrooms are all placed down here. Looking forward to this getting cleaned out. Morning. Howdy.
Still having brand new lights going through all the way down the main hallways here, so those all new grid systems and all new lights going in.
We'll pick a class on the left probably, just so we can see it a little better with the lighting. Well, this is going to get a little tough to see, ladies and gentlemen. We're out of power down here for right now, and we're going to be out for about another week. It's actually going to be throughout campus, so it may be a little bit difficult to see in some of the classrooms, but you're going to see a lot of new changes in these elementary classrooms. This one's got a light.
Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. So this is one of our fourth grade classrooms. This is Mrs. Bartell's room. We have a work light kind of in here. So you can see brand new floors are in. We have some different colored insets, and we have all new cabinetry. We have our new unit ventilation system over here in the corner. All new cabinetry underneath where the windows will be. And we also have all new cabinetry over on the other side of the room as well. Take a walk down to the lower elementary.
Oh, here's the teacher's lounge. You can see this a little bit better. For the teacher's lounge, it's going to have the same flooring, same cabinetry, and you're going to see that throughout the rooms. In addition, we're having a new closet put on. So this may have a little bit more lighting in this room compared to some of the others.
You won't be able to see from there. It's right there. At the far end of the hallway, you can see you're kind of boarded up here. We're waiting for brand new doors to come in. We have brand new windows coming in for much of the campus as well.
Let's go check out Mr. Ming's office.
Yep, we'll look at Mr. Ming and Mrs. Diller's office here.
So you can kind of see it right now. Got this beautiful new flooring, and then we'll kind of wander in just a little bit just to be able to see.
New carpet in the superintendent's office.
So we're going to check out Mrs. Heck's old classroom, and this is kind of typical of what you're going to see for all the different rooms. Once again, it's got that same new cabinetry with a beautiful backsplash and top. Got the nice new flooring, which looks nice. In the process of working on some of the bathrooms in between, but super excited about this opportunity. We do have some new furniture that's going to be coming in a little while once we can get the majority of the stuff done with our KN1 classrooms. And some of our middle school classrooms and high school classrooms are also going to get a little bit. But that's going to be something that probably happens at a little later date and time.
So that's kind of the wrap up of where we're at the elementary right now.
So as you can see, there's a lot to be excited about. There's a lot of really neat upgrades that are going to make this place truly a jewel of a school for a destination district. So thank you all, Gres-Sims, for taking the tour with us. We can't wait to get you guys back in the building.